Natasha Poonawalla is an Indian philanthropist, chairperson of the Villoo Poonawalla Foundation, executive director of Serum Institute of India, one of the largest vaccine manufacturing companies in the world by number of doses produced, director of the Poonawalla Science Park in the Netherlands and director of Villoo Poonawalla Racing and Breeding Private Limited. She is a known fashion enthusiast. She was born on 26 November 1981 to Pramesh Arora and his wife Minnie Arora. She grew up in Pune, India. She did her basic schooling at St. Mary's School, Pune, and then went on to pursue a bachelor's degree from Pune University. In 2004, she received a Master's of Science degree from the London School of Economics. Natasha married Adar Poonawalla in 2006. She had met him at a New Year's party in Goa hosted by Vijay Mallya. They have two sons, Cyrus and Arius. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.